Hey everybody, this is Mike, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about the crazy action we had in the market yesterday, and that's going to make today probably one of the most important trading days of the year for a couple of reasons. First of all, you probably already know gold collapsed yesterday. It's down 5.37% yesterday. It's down this morning. I'm doing this video around 5:30. But here's the other thing that's kind of significant is that the S&P sort of collapsed here the last hour. So it's very rare, like when you have the S&P down and gold down more than 1/4 of a point, when they're both down on the same day, typically the S&P rises the next day, and we do see that in the morning numbers, that the S&P looks like it's likely, the pre-market here says it's up almost a full percent. So it looks like we're going to have the S&P go up, which is kind of typical when the S&P and gold are down. Now, here's the thing. You are going to want to look at the action of gold as well. Gold pre-market looks like it's up as well. Now, when gold and the S&P 500 are both up on the same day, then the next day, the S&P goes back down. Now, the weird thing is when you have the S&P and gold moving together, that is very unusual, and that usually means that something unusual is happening in the market, because yesterday we had people get out of gold like right away. It just, gold essentially collapsed. But then to see this collapse in the S&P 500 in the last hour, that means people got out of gold and they got out of equities. So it looks like everybody's kind of running into cash, and this is something very important to consider because we're going into September, which is typically the worst month of the year for equities, and we've had the biggest bull run since the March lows, just going straight up into August. I mean, you look at here, here's the March low. Here it was at 222, and now up to 332. That's I mean, what is that? That's almost a 50% rise in the S&P 500. So, I know everybody wants to ride this market as high as possible, but this thing, I mean, just you look at the 5-year chart here. This is not a normal V-shaped chart here, and I know Putin announced that he has some sort of vaccine, but I don't know if I want to be taking a vaccine from Vladimir Putin. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is this market may be right for a September collapse. So you need to be very careful. And the two things you need to do today is just watch the price action in the S&P 500 and gold. If both the S&P 500 and gold are up today, that means the S&P 500 is going to go down on Thursday. So very interesting to watch. Go ahead if you want to get more updates. I'm going to do every update in the morning on weekdays. So like subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get the updates. All right. Talk to you later. Thanks a lot. Bye.